Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pi Network 2.0 token. Now there's been a lot of 2.0 tokens out lately, obviously, and this is another one. The Pi Network is a very famous token, and now we have the Pi Network 2.0 token, which is on the Ethereum blockchain. They're about to start their pre-sale in about 3 days or so on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Pi Network token 2.0. So Pi Network 2.0 is the new generation meme coin, a new trend with an extremely large and enthusiastic Pi Network loving community. Contract created by PinkSale, 5% dev, locked for 1 year. PinkSale holders get 2%. Huge marketing, tax is 0%. Central exchange listings tier 1 right after listing. Dex tools, TikTok, Telegram ads, trending on PinkSale, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap fast tracked. If you missed Doge, Shiba, Pepe, this is another chance. If you hold Pi 2.0, or if you can hold, wait, this is obviously a typo because it says if you can hold Pi 2.0, you won't be rich. Obviously, they don't mean that, but okay. That's what they wrote on PinkSale there. There is some grammatical errors that I also skipped over a little bit in their little blurb on PinkSale there. And I'm assuming that it's translated. And I mean, obviously, they just said if you hold our token, you won't be rich. So that's a bad advertisement right there. So yes, this token is an Ethereum token. Pre-sale starts in about 3 days. It starts exactly July 20th, 12 o'clock UTC time, and goes for about 3 days until July 23rd, 14 hours UTC time. So if you missed the pre-sale, this is an Ethereum token. So shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will be going over to Uniswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Pi Network 2.0 token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, pinetwork-v2.com. You probably will not have to change slippage too much because it says 0% tax, and it says liquidity will be locked on Uniswap for 1 full year, 365 days. Now this is going to be a public pre-sale on PinkSale here, so anybody can get involved. You don't have to be on a white list or anything like that. Soft cap is 50 Ethereum, so it looks like they're expecting it to be a pretty large pre-sale. There is no hard cap, so this pre-sale is just going to continue for 3 days, and we'll just see how many tokens they can sell. Now there's 18 decimal places on this token. Ticker symbol is PI space 2.0. There is a total supply of 100 billion tokens. They do have a Telegram listed on here, which is at PI_network_V2 on Telegram. They have 8,103 members on their Telegram so far, so maybe it is going to be a big pre-sale. Looks like they have a big Telegram chat group so far, so they're doing very well on the socials. And they also have a Twitter, which is on here as well, and that is at PI_network_V2 as well, the same as their Telegram there. Now, they have 3,266 followers on their Telegram, and they joined in May 2023. Brand new Twitter, 4 tweets so far, talking about their marketing campaign that they just did, their pink sale, pre-sale. Then they have a little blurb that just says huge marketing, 5%. Yeah, basically the same things I just read on they say on pink sale there about marketing and taxes. Let's skip down to their token metrics allocation pie chart. It says 40% of the tokens go to pre-sale. Then we got 19.99% of the tokens going to liquidity, 20% going to central exchange listings, 5% developers, and 15% of the tokens are unlocked. Now there is a quick audit by GuardGate in the discussion section on pink sale. And there's all good check marks on it. There's no bad warnings. It says, owner can't set fees. Owner can't blacklist wallets. Owner cannot set max transaction amount. Owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. And owner cannot pause trading. So those are all good check marks on there. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, pinetwork-v2.com, tokenomics, roadmap, contact info, contract address, all that stuff's over there. So, Pi V2 is an upgraded version of the original Pi cryptocurrency, aims to solve the issues with the original Pi network and improve the overall user experience. With a strong community, dedicated team, and a clear vision, Pi Network V2 is set to become the next big thing in the cryptocurrency space. Faster and more efficient transactions, improved security, better user experience, and opportunity for early adoption. Are you ready for V2? This cryptocurrency is aiming to make digital money more accessible for everyone and aims to improve upon the original Pi network, offering fast transactions, all the things I just named, decentralization, upgraded blockchain. The goal is to create a cryptocurrency that can truly gain mainstream adoption. It aims to show that cryptocurrency does not need to be complicated, exclusive, or environmentally harmful. With the right design choices, digital money can achieve global scale with remaining accessible, inclusive, and inclusive and sustainable. Tokenomics, 2%. A bunch of it goes to different central exchange listings. So they have 2% reserved for Bitmart, 2% for Gemini, 2% for MEXC Global, 5% OKX, 4% KuCoin, 4% Gate, 3% Huobi, 4% Bybit, 5% Coinbase, 4% for marketing and community, 5% for the development team, and the remaining 4% of the tokens held in a community wallet where the community has full decision-making power on how to spend it. Total supply, 1 billion tokens. So the roadmap is on here. Build social channels, build website 1.0, build great community, create smart contracts safe, cooperate with exchanges. Stage 2, partnerships and influencers, call groups, pink sale on pre-sale, tier 2 central exchange listings, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, fast track, 5,000 holders. Last phase 3 is going to be buybacks, marketing on TikTok, Twitter, tier 1 central exchange listings, website V2 launch, 20,000 plus holders. Partnerships with Uniswap, OpenSea, Aave, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, DexView, and there's some contact information and a email and a TikTok at the bottom of their webpage, pinetwork-v2.com. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one where they say this token is going to be listed in the future. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the Pi Network token? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.